a camera. It's Kylie, and I'm coming back to you with better quality this time because I actually got a camera. I'm here at Fuel Fest in Pomona. I'm very I'm going on my first drifting ride along, and I'm so excited. I'm going with my friend Doug. So yeah, come with me to have an awesome day here at Fuel Fest. So we've been here for like 3 hours. I did my ride along and that was so much fun. I hope that you can pick up what I'm saying because I don't have any of the mic stuff set up, but we'll see when I edit this. Okay, so that concludes today's event. I didn't film much for today, but we are going to a car show in LA tomorrow, so I will take you guys with us to go there. We might be bringing the Infinity, we might not, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna edit this, and I am just so happy with the quality of this footage and everything. I think it's just like, it looks so crispy, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride the line.
Lily!
Yeah, we're waiting
Got
for
my
it.
helmet.
The seatbelt you can put on now.
Okay. Putting on my seatbelt now. I wish I had a mount like right there.
Sorry, it's not good enough for you.
Oh, sorry. Why didn't you bring my mount, Doug?
Good.
Okay, so right now we went to the car show that they're having here in Hollywood, and I'll put the name and everything down below because I think it's, what is it called? Midnight what? It's like I want to say Midnight Sudoku, but I think Sudoku is the crossword puzzle thing. Basically, we're gonna be here until 10 because some of my friends have their cars in this car show. It's kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear me, but at least the quality is better. I'll get a mic that I can clip onto my shirt, but I'll take you guys with me so you can see all the cars.
Full speed in the midnight.
We're going to Coffee Bean. Thank you. It is.
Up.
Where the fuck my black? Where the fuck my cup? Where the fuck my...